Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Time for another unboxing. We've got a delivery from Fairfield Collectibles. I don't know if you've heard of them, but they're out of Georgia, and they do a lot of diecast, some bigger stuff, but in the 1/64 scale, they have Johnny Lightning, Auto World, and some M2 stuff. So if you haven't heard of them, I'll have a link down in the description. You can check them out, but we're going to crack this thing open and show you what we got. Lots of Auto World here, guys, coming up, and some Johnny Lightnings. Check it out. Let's go through this. Excited about some of these. So, restock on these Mitsubishi Eclipses, guys. These things sold super well during the holidays as keychains, so I'm sure you guys all know, but this one is an Eagle Talon Eclipse. They look pretty much identical. So Eagle and Mitsubishi had a little collaboration back in the 90s, and basically they were the same car with basically a couple different badges. There wasn't a whole lot that you could tell the difference on them. Maybe a little bit in the grille and the taillights possibly, but for the most part they were pretty much the same car. They also did that with the Mitsubishi 3000 GT and the Dodge Stealth back in the day. So just picked up a few of those. Those will be good inventory. Let's pull off these up top here. So let's see what we got. So grabbed a couple of these. They were on clearance. This T-Type in the purple. The Buick Regal T-Type. The lower end version of a Grand National basically looked the same for the most part, but I think in purple with the chrome wheels it looked pretty cool. One of 3,600, so they say, and I think I got two of those. Yep, picked up two of those, so I think those are pretty cool. And then some Greenlight Dark Horse. I guess it's not the Dark Horse, it's just the regular Mustang GT in the gray with black stripes and the gold wheels. It's looking pretty good. I like those. Some Plum Crazy Dodge Chargers, guys. The RT Scat Packs. Definitely a cool casting. I forgot I picked this one up. 2007 Ford Shelby GT500 with the opening hood. Looking good. Yeah, I think that one will make a good keychain for sure for someone. And restocking on these Corvettes. I sold out of these, so needed some more Grand Sport in white and blue Corvette C7s. And I love, it's one of my favorite colors, guys, this lime green. Sublime Dodge Charger Scat Pack Swinger to go along with the purple one. One thing you can't knock Dodge for is going wild with the colors, bringing all those 70s colors back. Couple more of those. Ooh, I bought a lot of those. 4 of the blue one. 2 of the white one. 2 of the green. And there's the rest of my Eclipses. I got a few of the red ones. And these are the last ones, guys. Grabbed a couple more of these M2 Fox Body Mustangs with the two-tone paint, 88 Mustang GT. And yes, we have one very similar to this in the garage. I'll show a picture up here if you're interested. I have a 1989 Fox Body Mustang GT in the garage, white on white, and a very cool car from the 80s. Really dig those. We'll have a link down below to my auto channel if you want to check out any of my real life vehicles as well. So All right, guys, we're going to unpackage a couple of these just to show you what they look like out of the package. Let's start off with this GT500 2007. They got all kinds of stuff holding that in. Holding it in. I think we ripped that off. Nope, they've got a whole little wire holding that open, so we're gonna have to cut that open. One of those. You never know what their tie-down mechanism's going to be. Going through the doors. We're gonna get it, guys. We're gonna get it. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, okay. We got it unlocked. So check that out, guys. A little Shelby action from the 2000s. I'm not sure what company produced this. This says made in China, Shelby Collectibles. But it's kind of cool. Has the opening doors and the opening hood with the little engine bay there. It's got some decent detail. We'll put that on the spinner for you real quick. Yeah, pretty cool car. All right, guys, we're gonna crack open this Buick Regal now. Take a look at this guy. Check that out, guys. The chrome wheels. Nice detail on that one. It's like a grayish, light gray interior. So it's classy on the license plate. Yeah, that'll make a good keychain. All right, guys, our last crack will be this 2024 Mustang GT. Now that is a Mustang, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the new S650 Mustangs. They're growing on me. This back end is a little awkward to me, looking at it, a cutout. And some iterations of this, like the Dark Horse, I think, like people say, looks a lot like the Camaro. But I like me some gray cars, so I'm not going to complain with the color. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this quick unboxing of my first order from Fairfield Collectibles. Like I said, I'll have a link down below if you're interested in checking them out. And we'll have another hunt video coming out next week, and then some more unboxings soon. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a good one.